This time of year, there's always an abundance of zucchini. I love finding new ways to use it. This one is quickly becoming a favorite. It's similar to lasagna. And actually, if I had more zucchini, I could do more layers and it would be just like lasagna minus the pasta. This is a yummy, gluten-free, high-protein recipe. To start, prep your zucchini. Make sure it's washed, and then you can peel it or leave the peel on. It's your choice. Then I'm going to slice it super thin. I find that this old cheese slicer works the best. Now lay your zucchini out on some parchment paper, sprinkle with coarse salt, and it'll coax out some of that moisture and let this set aside. Next, I'm browning some ground beef. I don't season it while it's browning because I usually cook enough beef to last all week, but each meal will need a little different seasoning. So if you're just browning enough for this meal, by all means season as it cooks. I season mine with a little garlic and onion. You could use fresh, but today I'm using powdered, along with some Italian seasoning. Once your beef is cooked through, add whatever red sauce you like. I'll link the recipe for our favorite red sauce below. Mix that in with your ground beef and set it aside. Now I take some shredded mozzarella and add 2 eggs to that. Mix it well and then add some Parmesan cheese. Fresh is best, but I didn't have any fresh on hand. Set this aside. Now it's time to assemble. Since I only have enough zucchini for one layer, today I'm just using a shallow baking sheet. Start with your meat mixture, then add your zucchini. Next, sprinkle the egg and cheese mixture on top. Now sprinkle everything with some extra mozzarella cheese. Put this in a 375-degree oven and let it bake for about 20 to 30 minutes. When it gets close to that 20-minute mark, continue to check on it. You just want the cheese on top to be lightly browned and bubbly. Remove, let cool, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.